Hi everyone! Welcome to Lucky Joy Treasures. Today, we're opening a lucky box for Asifa. Let's see what she got. First, a cute flower mat hair claw. A fish clip for easy hairstyles. Wow! An ice roll on to keep the face fresh and cool. Look at these stone earrings, so shiny! We also got big scrunchies, super soft. A makeup powder puff for smooth makeup. Cute shell hair claw. A handy compact mirror. A classy golden hair claw. And finally, a relaxing eye mask. Which item is your favorite? Comment below. To place your order, please contact us. Thank you!